Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm at Burlington. Let's see what they have here for us. Look at this top with cow neckline. Yes, look, this one is well made. This was $79. Today you get it for $21.99. It's available in size medium, size small, size large, and I am looking at it in a different color. Okay, this one is available in size medium and small and large as well. Same price. Okay, here we have this skinny jeans. This was $89. Today you get it for $19.99. It's interesting clean high-rise skinny jeans. Let me show you the back. This is new in the store. Good slimming, smoothing for a modern fit. Okay, it's available in size 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16 in almost all sizes. Okay, here we are looking at this top, so girly, for just $10.99. It looks really expensive. It's available in size small, medium, and large. Here we have this blazer in clean color. If you are all about this is not my thing. All right, and this is not the best quality either. For $16.99. If you are all about this, come to Burlington. They have it in different sizes: size small, medium, large, extra large. Beside is this. Oh, okay. This is Nye West cigarettes high-rise skinny jeans. Okay, it's dark jeans for $16.99. Let me show you the back. This is the back. This jeans is available in size 6, 10. All right, let's see what they have here. Look at this one for $12.99 by this brand, Maze Collection. Is only available in size medium. Beside is this black denim in size 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, right, by Blue. Yeah, it's petite. Looks good. The quality is good, not bad. Anyway, not bad. Okay, here we have these stripes, short sleeves. Look at this. This will cinch your waist. All right, this is $14.99 by Guess. It's available in another color, same price, different sizes. Here you have this one by Guess, $14.99 in size small, size large. Okay, here we have these dusty jeans. This is really stretchy. $8.99. Okay, ash gray. And here we have this one by Rachel. Interesting mid-rise ankle skinny jeans. These are available in different sizes for $16.99, same price. Okay. Here we are looking at two-piece sets. Interesting two-piece sets. Okay. If you are looking for good two-piece sets, this is the time. From now, yeah, you will get lots of two-piece sets in the store. They are priced together for just $19.99. Interesting. I like the pants, but the top is so small. It would have been it for me if it's flowy. Look at this dress for $19.99 by this brand. Yeah, this brand, they make good dresses at affordable rates. Yeah, they are almost like CK. Look at another two-piece set. I like this one better. See, the quality is more like it for me. This is in size extra large. Okay. Yeah. They are not generous with the top, to be honest. $24.99. Okay. Another set. This one is sleeveless set. This one looks good for $24.99. Yeah, this looks good. And look, another one. Another set. The quality is not good. This one is $14.99. All right. And this is another set. This one is really stretchy for $19.99. These sets are a hot deal, if you ask me. Look at another one for $17.99. If you are all about this, you like those prints. If you like those prints, they have them available. Look at another set. This looks good. $24.99 in color black. This is medium and this is large. I wish this is just the neckline is not doing it for me. If it's V neckline, this is where I belong. And I love the length. Okay, not bad. I love the flowy bottom, not bad. Okay, I would have loved to go for these. Yeah, but I don't like wearing sleeveless. I don't know why. This one is $24.99 and it's lined. That's a good one for me. It's lined. The pants is not lined. I think they did something somewhere. Okay, let's see. It's not lined. Okay. Let's check out something here. Look what we got here. This is another set. Two-piece set. I'm loving this shade. It's very good by this brand in size medium. And these are priced. They are priced together. Let's see. $19.99. Tell me I'm weak right here because the quality is good. Okay, to this side, these are fresh finds in the store. New finds in the store. This is by CK Kevin Klein for $19.99. It's available in different sizes. Okay, here is another one. Look what we have here. This is $24.99 by CK. And here we have these skinny jeans. This was $64. Compare this with this. It's good for $14.99. Okay. Yeah. Very simple tee. Yeah, for $13.99. Here we have another button-down shirt by CK for $19.99. This was $89 with one deep front pocket. Interesting, available in different sizes. And look, it's available in another color. Same price, different sizes. Okay? Yeah. Same button-down shirt, different sizes in color black. Look what we got here. Very simple tee for $12.99 in different sizes. Interesting. And here we have this one. Look, very cool for $12.99. This is classic. I'm loving it. I love, love, love. Look what we got here. This is by Guess for $12.99. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. This is so cool. Yeah. Okay. More interesting pieces here. Look at these tailored pants. Lavender for $12.99. More pants. More pants. More pants. Here by Columbia. This one is $16.99. Not bad. Here we have the zip up light hoodie for $24.99. This is by Guess. Look what we got here. This is, well done jeans for $12.99. All right. More clothes, more pieces. This one is $10.99 in size large, medium, extra large. Here we have these gray, simple, short sleeves, light sweater for $12.99. Here is this pleated skirt. Yeah, this is not midi skirt. This is a short skirt for $14.99 petite. Okay. Yeah. Here we have this sleeveless top. This was $94. Today you get for $21.99. Interesting. And here we have these basic. This is T-shirts for $12.99. And here is this one by Tommy Hilfiger. This was $59.50. You get this for $19.99. Okay, if you enjoy my type of video, consider subscribing, like. Okay, by liking my video, you are letting YouTube know you like my type of video. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye for now.